What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a trouble code that can really make you sweat. And I don't just mean the summer heat. We're talking about P0217, which stands for Engine Over Temperature Condition. This code means your engine's control module, or ECM, has detected that your engine is running way hotter than it should be. It's a serious warning, and ignoring it can lead to some catastrophic and expensive engine damage. So, let's break down what causes this code, how to spot the symptoms, and most importantly, how to fix it. First off, what are the telltale signs of a P0217 code? The most obvious one is your temperature gauge skyrocketing into the red zone. 2. You might also see a check engine light or a specific high-temperature warning light illuminate on your dashboard. In more severe cases, you could notice steam or smoke coming from under the hood, a sweet smell of burning coolant, or a noticeable drop in engine power as the computer tries to protect itself. If you see any of these, pull over safely as soon as you can and turn off the engine. Letting it run hot is a recipe for disaster. So, what's making your engine overheat? The causes can range from simple to complex. The most common culprit is a low coolant level. This could be due to a leak somewhere in the cooling system, like a cracked radiator, a split hose, a bad water pump seal, or even a faulty radiator cap that isn't holding pressure. Ways. Let your engine cool down completely before you ever attempt to open the radiator cap. The system is under pressure, and you could get seriously burned. Another frequent cause is a faulty thermostat. If it's stuck closed, it won't allow coolant to flow to the radiator to be cooled, causing the engine temperature to climb rapidly. 4. On the other hand, a problem with your cooling fans can also trigger this code. If the electric fan isn't turning on, or the clutch on a mechanical fan has failed, your engine won't get enough airflow to cool down, especially when you're stuck in traffic or moving slowly. Less common, but still possible, are issues like a clogged radiator, either internally with sludge and debris or externally with leaves and dirt blocking airflow. A failing water pump is another suspect. If the impeller is damaged or broken, it can't circulate coolant effectively. In worst-case scenarios, a P0217 code could be pointing to a blown head gasket, which allows hot exhaust gases to enter the cooling system, causing it to overheat. Now, let's get to the good part. How do you diagnose and fix this? Start with the basics. Once the engine is completely cool, check the coolant level in the reservoir and the radiator. If it's low, you've got a leak. Top it off with the correct type of coolant for your vehicle and start looking for signs of drips or wet spots. The cooling system pressure tester is an excellent tool for this. It pressurizes the system and makes finding leaks much easier. Next, start the engine and watch your temperature gauge. Check if the cooling fans kick on when the engine gets hot. If they don't, you'll need to investigate the fan motor, relay, fuse, or temperature sensor. While the engine is running, carefully fill the upper and lower radiator hoses. If the upper hose is hot, but the lower one is cool, that's a classic sign of a stuck thermostat or a major clog in the radiator. If the simple checks don't reveal the problem, you might need to dig deeper. A professional mechanic can perform tests to check for a blown head gasket. Like a combustion leak test, which detects exhaust gases in the coolant. They can also properly diagnose issues with the water pump or other internal components. Fixing a P0217 code is all about addressing the root cause. If it's a leak, replace the faulty hose, radiator, or cap. If the thermostat is bad, swap it out for a new one. This is often an inexpensive and relatively easy job. A cooling fan is the problem. Replace the faulty component. For more serious issues like a bad water pump or a blown head gasket, the repairs will be more involved and costly. But they are absolutely necessary to save your engine. After you've made the repair, make sure to properly bleed all the air out of the cooling system, as air pockets can cause overheating all by themselves. Take the car for a test drive and monitor the temperature gauge to ensure it stays in the normal range. Once you're confident the problem is solved, you can clear the P0217 code with a scanner. That's a wrap on trouble code P0217. It's a critical warning, so don't ignore it. A little bit of diagnostic work can save you from a massive repair bill down the road. Found this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.